welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, you don't know what I mean, guys. Me hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, I am doing a little burger video for you guys. You know, in a couple of weeks it should be spring and it's outside, it's full of snow. So I don't understand what's going on with Mother Nature. You understand me? So is it due to how I want spring to be right here, like right now? I am starting my barbecue business for outside. So I am going to make some burger. And my burger is some chicken burger I'm gonna make, guys. And I am going to put it in my air fryer. I have never cooked like food in the air fryer before. So this is my first time that I'm gonna put my burger in there. You understand me? So guys, before I get any further into my video, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification belly things of mine so you don't miss a post when I post. I'm asking you please, guys, to support the little cooking food and try it, because Mama Joan, I'm telling you to make nothing when I eat good and want to enjoy everything that you see me cooking in my kitchen. Okay, guys, so for the burger, I'm doing some ground chicken, guys. I want to show you guys. Let me see what it look like. This is freshly ground chicken, my personal chicken that I bought, and I ground it myself. Because you know, when you buy ground chicken at the store, it's supposed to be ground chicken, but it's pink and it does not have the chicken color like how this have the chicken color. You can see that this is chicken. It don't mix with nothing else inside of it. Sometimes when I buy the ground chicken, I said this is ground chicken, but I'll bone in there, so it seems like them grown up the bone and then mix up everything until there's ground chicken. So the best thing to do is to get a meat grinder and grind your own beef and your own chicken, and then you know exactly if it's ground chicken or ground beef you will get. So this is about 4 chicken breasts. Okay, so it feel like it's like 2 pound, 2.5 pound of chicken. What I'm gonna do to season up this, I have 1 white onion, a red onion, and I have a half a lime. You cannot wash your chicken, so I washed it before with vinegar before I grind it, but I'm still gonna squeeze a little lime juice on it. I have 4 cloves of garlic here, a little dry up Scotch bonnet pepper, some scallion, and for the powder seasoning, I have 1.5 teaspoon of Montreal chicken. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic plus all, 1 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. So this I'm gonna throw on this. I'm gonna throw this on it now. So that's the powder seasoning for this. It's not a lot, and it's just enough. I'm gonna cut up my onion and my garlic, but the thing about it is that I'm gonna cook it, saute it on the stove first before I put it in the meat. So guys, I'm gonna go season up my meat, you know, turn it all over, and then I will get back at you. So as I said, one tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash, 1 tablespoon of garlic plus, and 1.5 tablespoon of Montreal chicken. So these now, I'm gonna cut them up and get them ready, and I'll be right back at you. And I'm cutting up my onions. You need to have the onion a little bit fine, as small as you can cut it, because you know what, you're gonna put it in the ground chicken. I am not a chef. I never went to culinary school, so I cannot cut like how those master chef cut them things, but at the same time I have to make sure I do not chop off my finger. You understand me? I have to make sure I don't chop off my finger, guys. So that's how you want the onion to be. small as possible. And get them scallion, them little pieces of scallion here. So this now gonna go into the ground chicken to make the burger. Oh, this is sitting. Ooh, this is sitting. Burn up your eyes so much. Why, guys? Now comment below and tell me what to do to make sure that the onion don't, or how to cut the onion so it don't burn me. So I'm asking all of those chefs, those culinary chefs that's out there, if you guys ever do watch my video, to tell me what I need to do so that I can don't have the garlic and the onion burning me in my eye. Okay, this is the garlic, because the garlic's gonna go in the meat. You want it to be as fine as ever, as small as you can. Didn't want to use the garlic, the mash up garlic but in the bottle. I just want to use the fresh garlic myself. Okay, so now that I have this cut up ready, this I got to take over to the stove because I have to cook this down a little bit, and then I have to let it cool, and then I put it on the meat. Now for the pepper. The pepper now are some this pepper, so it probably don't even hot, you know. So now I'm gonna bring this over to the stove and got to saute it, let it cool, and then mix it in the chicken. So guys, I'm back at it again. For the onion and the garlic and the pepper, I use like a tablespoon of olive oil, like 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm gonna put this in here. Let this get hot a little bit. Alright, so let's do this. Turn down the stove. So I'm gonna cook this down a little bit. So with this, I'm gonna put, this is for the chicken. So to season the chicken to make burger. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon, like a little more than a teaspoon of honey. This is honey. Put like a teaspoon of honey in there. Teaspoon of ketchup. I'm gonna cook this up. And some tomato paste. I'll saute this down, and then when it's finished, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so guys, let me show you what this looks like now. The onion and the garlic. This is what it looks like, guys. So this, I'm gonna let it sit and cool. And when it's cool now, then I'm gonna throw it on the chicken and finish season up the chicken for the burger. So guys, I'm back at it again. For the onion and the garlic and the pepper, I use like a tablespoon of olive oil, like 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm gonna put this in here. Let this get hot a little bit. That's good now. Okay. Alright, so let's do this. turn down the stove. So I'm gonna cook this down a little bit. So with this, I'm gonna put, this is for the chicken. So to season the chicken to make burger. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon, like a little more than a teaspoon, of honey. This is honey. Put like a teaspoon of honey in there. Teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of ketchup too. Teaspoon of ketchup. I'm gonna cook this up. And some tomato paste. Saute this down, and then when it's finished, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right. So guys, let me show you what this looks like now. The onion and the garlic. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, guys. So this, I'm gonna let it sit and cool, and when it cool now, then I'm gonna throw it on the chicken and finish season up the chicken for the burger. While my onion and my garlic is cooling, I'm going to be making the topping that I'm gonna be putting the topping for the burger. So I'm gonna make some cabbage. I make a piece of cabbage. Okay, I'm gonna season that, and that's gonna be the topping for my burger, and you guys will see what it looks like when it's done, you know. So this is different for me, and as I said, I have never do burger in an air fryer. This is my first time, guys, so I want to see what it's gonna what is going to look like, you know. Okay, so this is a piece of red pepper and yellow sweet pepper, and I'm doing a shallot onion. Okay guys, so I have my topping ready. So what I'm waiting on, I'm waiting for the onion and the garlic to cool, that little sauce that I stir up, to throw it on the chicken, and then when that cool and ready, I'll be come right back at you. So guys, the seasoning, the onion and the garlic, it's cool, so I'm gonna put it on the chicken now. Put it on the chicken, and then I'm gonna mix this, and then I'm gonna make my patties. I'm gonna make my burgers. So that is that. Give this a mix this into this. I'm gonna mix it into this, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And guys, put a teaspoon of black pepper into the chicken too, eh? I didn't put any salt because the powder season have salt, but if you guys want, you guys can add salt to it. Now, to make the burger, gotta get myself a pair of gloves here. Yeah, because I ain't putting my hand in the meat. No sorry, Bob. Gotta use a gloves today to make them burgers. Okay, guys? So, when I finish make the burger, I will come back, guys, and show you what the burgers them look like. So, guys, this is what the first patty look like. This is my first burger. Okay, so you guys can see what it looks like. So I'm just using this soup scoops. Yeah. Make my patty. That's another one. Like, I'm telling you guys, see, for the summer, the best burger you can eat is when you make your own. You know, you don't buy the one way in the store, because you know some of them frostbitten, you know, you don't know how long it is. So it's good when you make your own burger, you know. If you don't have a grinder for grind the meat, you can buy the meat, but I would recommend you grind your own meat, or you go to a butcher shop, you know, and you buy the meat there, and you ask them to grind it for you. This way you know, so you eat beef or you eat chicken, you know. So that's my patty. So these ones, they're kind of on the big side. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I probably get about 6, you know, so 6 is enough. So Cyan can get 2, Papa Ari get 2, and I get 2. Or, you know, we end up with a extra one, guys. The kids them off March break, but everybody is busy doing them own thing, you know. So Cyan is home with me, she ain't going nowhere. So we just cook and eat and have lots of fun. That's all we crazy people do. That's all the craziness that happen in a Mama Joan house. Nothing more that, you know. So guys, now the burger is ready, and I am going to put them in the air fryer now. Okay. So this is okay. I've got to turn this thing on. So guys, I'm gonna add the burger now. I'm gonna add the meat now. Let me try and see if I can get all 5 of them in there. Probably can't. Okay. So there that goes. Let me cook that and see how that is, guys. And while that is cooking in the air fryer, I'm gonna do the topping. So for the topping, guys, a little bit of olive oil. So that's the topping, guys. So I'm gonna let it sit on the stove till it starts to do its thing, and then I'm gonna finish it up. This is the topping. Okay. So I turn the fire off and I'm just letting it sit for a little. Okay, till the burger finish. So that's the topping. So they're all done. Okay, so we will take them out now. You were sleeping, hon? No. Oh my gosh, look how pretty they are. Show you guys how them is. Whoa. Guys, this is my first time making burger in the air fryer, and they look absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. Oh my. Guys, look at them. Look at them. So now I am going to, this is the topping. I'm going to sauce them up with some kind. You can't make burger, you don't have sauce on them. So let me get this thing, you know, get the bread. Maybe just use a spoon. So, just put some sauce on them, sauce them up before we serve them. So that's what them look like, guys, after them get them sauce on them. So now me I go get them served to the eaters them with a plate. This is the first one. So Papa, hurry.
I'll just take a bite of this because I don't really want a full one right now.
Okay, so just cut it in half,
yeah,
if you want.
We work with them. Yes. That's uncouth.
So guys, as I said, it's the first time I make burger in the air fryer, and they turn out pretty good, and that's the sauce. So guys, now I come to the end of the video. Papa Harry and Cyan, them I enjoy. It tastes good and nice and all of that. So guys,
Ketchup on the burger.
so guys, try and make this. As I said, you're gonna make it from scratch and don't buy it in the store because you don't know how long it sit down there for. Okay guys, so now guys, I come to the end of the video, so please like, subscribe and hit my bell so that you don't miss a post when I post. And Mama Joan will see you in the next video. It can be anything. Okay guys, bye.